Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here today. Have you ever studied English for years, but when you talk to native speakers, you feel completely lost? You understand every word in your textbook, but in real conversations, people say gonna, wanna, lemme, and you're like, wait, what does that mean? You're not alone. Thousands of English learners feel the same way. The problem? Your textbook teaches you formal English, but native speakers, they use slang every single day. And sometimes you understand the words, but your brain is too slow to answer. If you don't know slang, you'll always feel like an outsider in real conversations. But don't worry. And today we're solving this problem once and for all. You're about to learn 30 true slang phrases that native speakers use constantly, but you'll never find in textbooks. By the end of this lesson, you'll finally understand what native speakers are really saying. Now, here's something important. This lesson is part of our 30-day shadowing challenge, Series 2. But here's the best part. You don't need day 1, day 2, or any previous lesson to benefit from today. Every single lesson is different and stands completely on its own. If this is your first time here, perfect. Today can be your day 1. If you've been with us for a while, welcome back. Either way, this lesson is designed specifically for you, right where you are. So whether you're just discovering this channel or you've been learning with us, you're exactly where you need to be. Are you ready? Let's go. Shadowing section. All right, now we're going to learn 30 true slang phrases together. After each example, I'll pause and you repeat after me 3 times. First at natural speed, then slowly, then naturally again. Don't worry if this feels fast at first. That's normal. Your brain is learning real English. Ready? Group 1, Spoken Reductions. Foundation slang. Gonna. This is how we say going to in real conversation. I'm gonna study tonight. I'm gonna study tonight. I'm gonna study tonight. Wanna. This is how we say want to in real speech. I wanna learn English. I wanna learn English. I want to learn English. Gotta. This is how we say got to or have to. I gotta go now. I gotta go now. I gotta go now. Kinda. This is how we say kind of, meaning a little bit. I'm kinda tired today. I'm kinda tired today. I'm kinda tired today. Sorta. This is how we say sort of, similar to kinda. It's sorta difficult. It's sorta difficult. It's sorta difficult. Out of. This is how we say out of, leaving, or finished. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Lemme. This is how we say let me, asking permission. Let me help you with that. Let me help you with that. Let me help you with that. Gimme. This is how we say give me, requesting something. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Group 2, everyday slang, super common. Chill. This means relax or do nothing, just rest. Let's just chill at home. Let's just chill at home. Let's just chill at home. Hang out. This means spend time together casually with friends. Wanna hang out later? Wanna hang out later? Wanna hang out later? My bad. This means my mistake or I'm sorry. Oh, my bad. I forgot. Oh, my bad. I forgot. Oh, my bad. I forgot. No worries. This means don't worry or it's okay. No worries. It happens. No worries. It happens. No worries. It happens. Freak out. This means panic or become very worried. Don't freak out about the test. Don't freak out about the test. Don't freak out about the test. Broke. This means you have no money right now. I can't go shopping. I'm broke. I can't go shopping. I'm broke. I can't go shopping. I'm broke. Sep. This means really cool or amazing. It's positive. That car is sick. That car is sick. That car is sick. Rigid. This means real, genuine, or truly good. This restaurant is legit the best. This restaurant is legit the best. This restaurant is legit the best. Group 3, action slang, daily activities. Binge watch. This means watch many episodes of a show at once. I'm gonna binge watch that series. I'm gonna binge watch that series. I'm gonna binge watch that series. Pass out. This means fall asleep suddenly or faint. I was so tired, I passed out. I was so tired, I passed out. I was so tired, I passed out. Head out. This means leave or go somewhere. I'm gonna head out soon. I'm gonna head out soon. I'm gonna head out soon. Hit the gym. This means go to the gym to exercise. I gotta hit the gym today. I gotta hit the gym today. I gotta hit the gym today. Check it out. This means look at something. Pay attention to this. Check it out. I got a new phone. Check it out. I got a new phone. Check it out. I got a new phone. Crash. This means sleep suddenly because you're exhausted. I'm so tired, I'm gonna crash. I'm so tired, I'm gonna crash. I'm so tired, I'm gonna crash. Flake. This means cancel plans at the last minute. Don't flake on me tonight. Don't flake on me tonight. Don't flake on me tonight. Zone out. This means stop paying attention, daydream. Sorry, I zoned out for a second. Sorry, I zoned out for a second. Sorry, I zoned out for a second. Group 4, reaction slang, emotions and responses. No way. This shows strong disbelief. I can't believe it. No way. You met a celebrity? No way. You met a celebrity? No way. You met a celebrity? For real. This means really, seriously, or truly. Are you coming? For real? Are you coming? For real? Are you coming? For real? Big deal. This means something important, often used sarcastically. It's not a big deal, don't worry. It's not a big deal, don't worry. It's not a big deal, don't worry. No big deal. This means it's not important. No problem. No big deal. We can try again. No big deal. We can try again. No big deal. We can try again. Whatever. This means I don't care or it doesn't matter to me. Whatever, you choose the movie. Whatever, you choose the movie. Whatever, you choose the movie. Low-key. This means a little bit, secretly or not obviously. I'm low-key excited about this. I'm low-key excited about this. I'm low-key excited about this. Excellent work! You've just learned 30 true slang phrases, the kind native speakers use every single day, but you'll never see in textbooks. Now here's the most important part. You need to hear these phrases in real context. So let's listen to a real conversation between two friends, Jake and Maya. They're talking about weekend plans, and they're using tons of the slang we just learned. This is exactly how real friends talk. Short, simple, and relaxed. Listen carefully. Try to count how many slang phrases you can catch. Are you ready? Real-life conversation. Context. Two friends planning their weekend.
Yo, Maya, what's up?
Hey, not much. Just chillin'. You?
Same. Hey, I'm kinda bored. Wanna hang out this weekend?
For real? Yeah, I'd love to.
Sick. What do you wanna do?
I'm sorta broke right now, so maybe something cheap?
No worries. Let me think. Oh, check it out. There's a new coffee shop downtown. It's legit.
No way. I've been wanting to go there.
Yeah, me too. So, Saturday at 2?
Perfect. But I gotta hit the gym in the morning first.
Oh, nice. Don't pass out at the gym.
Ha, no big deal. I'll be fine. What about you? What are you gonna do in the morning?
I'm gonna binge watch that new show. I'm low-key obsessed with it.
Out of control. You always binge watch everything.
Whatever. It's so good, though. You should watch it.
Maybe, hey, one thing, don't flake on me, okay? You did that last time.
My bad. That won't happen again. I promise.
All right, I trust you. Just text me when you're gonna head out.
Deal. Oh, wait. If I'm late, don't freak out. Traffic's kind of crazy on weekends.
No worries. Just give me a heads up if you're running late.
For sure. Can't wait.
Me too. See you Saturday.
Yep. Oh, and if I zone out during conversation, wake me up.
Ha, will do. Now go crash. You sound tired.
Legit am. Later.
Wow, did you hear all that slang? Let me highlight just a few important things you might have missed. First, Jake said, "Yo, Maya." Yo is a casual way to say hey to friends. Maya said, "Gimme a heads up." We already learned, gimme means give me. But heads up is extra slang. It means warning or notification. So gimme a heads up equals give me a warning when something happens. And at the end, Maya said, go crash, using crash to mean sleep. Very natural. Did you notice how many slang phrases we used? Over 20 in just one short conversation. That's how native speakers really talk. Congratulations! You just learned 30 true slang phrases that native speakers use every single day. And you heard them in a real conversation. Now here's the truth. Your textbook will never teach you these. Your teacher might not even mention them, because in formal English, we write going to, want to, let me. But in real conversation, nobody says that. We say gonna, wanna, lemme, and now you understand the secret language. So here's your challenge. Pick 3 slang phrases from today. Use them this week. Say, I'm going to study instead of I'm going to study. Say, let me help you instead of let me help you. Because the more you use these phrases, the more natural your English becomes. And the more natural you sound, the more confident you feel. Remember, native speakers don't say, I am going to the store. They say, I'm going to hit the store. Native speakers don't say, let me think about it. They say, let me think about it. And now, you do too. You're no longer an outsider. You understand real English now. If this lesson helped you break through that barrier, we release a new topic every single day, each one independent and complete. You can jump in anytime. Subscribe so tomorrow's lesson finds you. And here's something special. We're creating a worldwide family of English learners. Beginners A1, A2 from every corner of the globe. All learning together, all supporting each other. You're not just learning English here, you're joining a movement. And no matter where you're starting from today, you have a place here. This is Emma from Speak English Daily. Thank you for learning with me today. Stop translating, start speaking like a native. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep speaking English daily. Bye for now.